One of the biggest things we hear from homeowners is,
why is construction on Long Island so expensive?
Why?
Especially when they're seeing prices online from other states that are so much lower.
But the truth is, Long Island is a completely different animal.
Today, we're breaking down the 7 hidden factors that drive construction prices way up here on Long Island.
Let's talk about the first and biggest factor, labor.
Skilled labor here on Long Island costs much more than across the rest of the country.
Carpenters, electricians, plumbers, HVAC technicians, good people are expensive, and for good reason.
You're paying for skill, experience, licensing, and quality. And now factor number 2, permits and code requirements.
Nassau County and local villages can be extremely specific.
Engineering, inspections, permit timelines, expediting, it all adds cost.
And it also adds time, which adds cost.
Factor number 3, older housing stock.
A lot of our homes here were built many decades ago.
Which means older framing, older plumbing, old electrical, and outdated insulation.
And of course, hidden surprises behind every wall.
Older homes almost always cost more to renovate than a newer home.
Factor number 4, higher client expectations.
Especially here on the North Shore of Long Island, finish expectations are high.
Custom millwork, high-end kitchens, detailed trim work, and better windows.
The level of finish is often far above the national average.
And that directly affects cost.
Factor number 5, site access and logistics.
This one gets overlooked all the time.
Tight lots, older driveways, limited access, and neighborhood restrictions.
Sometimes just getting materials in and out is more labor intensive.
And logistics is real money.
Factor number 6, taxes, insurance, and overhead.
Contractors on Long Island carry significant overhead.
Insurance, workers' comp, vehicles, fuel, office staff, and compliance.
These aren't extra charges. They're part of running a legitimate business. And factor number 7, market demand.
The North Shore market is strong.
There's consistent demand for renovations, new constructions, and additions.
Higher demand and limited skilled labor naturally pushes prices up.
So when you compare Long Island prices to what you see online,
make sure you're comparing apples to apples. Construction costs here represent the labor, code, expectations, and complexity of the market.
If this helped, hit that subscribe button. It really helps us out. Drop your questions in the comments below and check out our other construction videos on our page. We'll see you next time.